welcome to my channel. So this video will be the very first video on my new channel, and this video is going to be a spring closet clean out. Oh, that itched my nose. I am not new to YouTube, but I wanted to start a new channel because my closet, my aesthetic is changing, so I want to start afresh, a new channel. Behind me is my closet. This is a IKEA pack system. I've had it for at least 4 years now, and I did a lot of changes to it, but it's not very large because my apartment is small, so I always clean it out every year around springtime just to keep it as minimal as possible. I am not a minimalist, but just to keep it as minimal as possible, and I like to have things that I use regularly. All the things I'm going to clear out today, I will have it in my shop. So I do have a Depop and a Poshmark. There will be links below, so if you see anything you like, you could definitely go there and check it out, and it's not going to be expensive, and my stuff is like really good quality. I don't want to brag, but I like to take care of my stuff. Yeah, so I'm going to just clean out my closet and show you what I'm no longer going to be wearing. This section is where I have all my dresses. I have my long dresses, and then at the bottom I have makeup, and there's a drawer that's empty, towels, and on the top I have some shoes. So basically I'm just going to clean up my dresses area. So I already see something I know I'm not going to need anymore. So this is a dress I had for at least 9 years, and I had got this from Urban Outfitters. It's a very nice lace dress, very pretty. It's like when I was 21, and I'm not into mini dresses as much, and also I'm not into very bodycon dresses. And I do like my dresses to have a little flare at the hips because I'm straight, and when this dress here is straight, and when you put us together you have like a ruler. But I do like my hips, because I have no hips, I like to have something at my hips area, something there so it could flare out. So I'm no longer gonna need this. This is a dress. This is something I like to waste money. This is a beautiful dress. It's a pinup style dress. I'm into pinup fashion also. So this is a pinup style dress. It has Frida Kahlo printed all over it. It's a beautiful dress. The only thing is I never worn it. I got this all the way from England. I got ordered all the way from England, but I just never got to wear it. I still have the tags and everything, but it's like I'm buying stuff that I can wear daily, like every day. If it's like a special occasion, I can wear multiple times, but I don't see myself like wearing this daily, so this gotta go. Next, I have a few skirts here. So this is a striped mini skirt from Jacquemus, and it's a very pretty skirt. Again, it doesn't fit my aesthetic into now, and it's a very nice shirt. It's like Jacquemus, designer brand name, mini. I got this all the way from Kenya. I met this I think she's a stylist. She has an Instagram, and she curates like clothing, and she styled this so nicely, but it's not something that I know I'm gonna wear a lot. It's very pretty, but I know I'm not gonna wear it a lot, so it has to go. This is a beautiful yellow skirt. I had it for a couple of years. This is from a local boutique here in Philly. Sadly, they don't have it anymore because of the coronavirus. They closed down and they don't have a website, so that's it. But they were called Lulu-ish, and when I got this skirt, it was for a engagement party. And when I got this skirt, I had in mind, there's a picture of Rihanna when she had this yellow ball gown skirt and this yellow top, and I love that look, and I tried to recreate it by using this skirt. But this skirt is very nice. It's a nice material. It has like this added fabric at the hips which flares out, which I do like. but it's just something that I don't wear a lot, and I'm not into yellow. Yeah, I know yellow looks great on dark skin, but yellow is one of my least favorite colors, especially a bright yellow like this. This one I have here, I wore it once. I got it from that same boutique I told you with the yellow, that I got the yellow skirt. It's very, I like the skirt because it's unique. It's a I think asymmetrical skirt, and it's denim. It's a very soft denim. It has like this distressed kind of look. It looks very country in a good way, but I only wore it once when I got this skirt. I got it because I remember a picture. This was a really old picture of Beyonce, and then you had Jay-Z looking at her in the back. I think that's when they first met, or they were dating in the beginning. And she had on this long denim skirt, and I love that look. So that's why I picked this up. I did wear it once, and it's really nice, but it's something that I don't see myself like changing a lot or wearing a lot, so it's something that is gonna say bye-bye to. Next thing I have here is this set. This is a beautiful set. I love florals. Like, if you can't tell, I do love florals, and I got this because I was going on a boat ride, and I thought this would have been a very nice outfit to go there. So it's like a pale yellow. It has big bold floral prints all over it, and it comes in a set. So there's a top, it's a crop top, and I'll just take this down. Yeah, so it's a crop top, and then you have a wide leg pants. It's very comfortable. I also got this from that very same boutique. I am going to miss that boutique. Yeah, so I got it from that same boutique I got the two skirts from, and it's super pretty. It also has this like very bold buttons. Yeah, but something, again, I'm not gonna be wearing it. I don't see myself wearing this again, or even I guess if I go to like somewhere tropical, this would be nice, but I'm not sure. But you might see this on the shop. But this is a beautiful piece. Okay, the next things I have here are some jumpers or jumpsuits, rompers. They have many different names. It's a really, really nice one. It has a cami top. It's attached, and then it has a gingham pattern at the bottom, and then there's a waist tie to cinch your waist in. And most people, when I wear this, or when I did wear it, thought it was two different, like a top and a pants, but it's attached, and it's not very long. It's like a capri side, and then it's like wide leg. Wide ones, very pretty. It's just something I don't see myself wearing again, so that's why I no longer need it. Okay, this jumpsuit I had for years. This was, I forget when I got it, but this is from H&M. It's an army green color, very long, very loose. When I got this, I was into, like, you know, the military look. That's what I was going for. But like, now I'm not into it. I rarely wear it, honestly, and it's not something that I see myself wearing again. But it's very pretty, very easy to wear and comfortable. But you know, it gotta go. I think I'm not into jumpsuits anymore. I used to love them, but yeah. This I got last year, and I never worn out. When I saw it on the model, I got this from Anthropologie, and when I saw it on the model, it looked very flowy, like the fabric looked very like a linen, but it's a very thick cotton. It's more like a khaki, and it was not, like, I'm not into it, honestly. And welcome to the other side of my closet. So here I just have you know, my blouse, shirts, makeup, jewelry, hair, accessories, bags and other stuff like that. This is something again I picked up, never worn. Got this from Zara last year. It's a very pretty top. It has eyelet details and it fits like a crop top. It's just, to me, it's a little too big on the top because there's nothing to hold it on to you. It's like nothing to cling on to you. It just basically lays over you like a cape, but it does has sleeves, like these puffy sleeves. Very, very pretty. It's just something that I'm not into. I'm not a big fan of crop tops, but this is very pretty. But again, I don't need it, so something I don't need, so I'll give it to someone else. I have this little bin full of goodies, and this is basically pants and jeans that I'm no longer wearing. So I'm gonna drop this. So this one, I'm not sure if you do see it on the store, my store, then you know I don't need it. But it's, you know, when these pants were in, I forget what year it was, but these athleisure pants, and they were really long. They look like very, very long basketball shorts. Jeans, I'm sad to see it leave. This is from Zara. I got this last year. This is their wide leg jean. It's very popular. It's definitely sold out now, but it looks so good on. I never used to shop at Zara a lot, and last year I did a few of my like shops at Zara, if that makes sense. And I wasn't sure, like the size is so weird. It's like very difficult. So this basically is a little too tight for my waist, and the crotch, this area, it's like, I don't know, it's so short. It squeezes and I don't like it. It's so uncomfortable, and right now I'm all about comfort. Nothing that squeezes and pinches, no. So, but it's a nice jeans. I think my waist is a 27, and I think this is a 26, but it says US 4. So yeah, it's just odd sizing. Here is another pants from Zara. This is something I never want out, and I got this maybe a few years back. I got this from the store. They had a store in Philly, but they closed down now. But I remember going into the Zara store and seeing it and liking it and picking it up. It's just something that I never got to wear. It's okay, but it's not in my style. It's like this striped pants, very comfortable. I think it's made out of at least cotton. Feels really good. Yeah, it feels okay. But again, you know, just something I'm not wearing. And that's all I have to show you. So yeah, that wasn't like a huge clean out, but that's how I like to do my closet. Every time I get rid of something, I replace it with something that I know I'm gonna wear. So it's gonna be very short and sparse here and there. If you stay this long, thank you, and please subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you here. Like this video if you did like it. That bell note, click that bell. Oh gosh, I'm so bad with these YouTube things. Hit that bell notification so you can be alert on when I do post videos. I'm gonna try to post a video at least once a week. It will be mostly fashion and home stuff and a vlog here and there. Follow me on Instagram if you want to keep up. I post there daily, and you can see what I'm wearing or what I have, and you know, pretty pictures to look at. And again, thank you so much for watching, and I hope everyone have a good day.